Hello guys and welcome to Zim Trend Daily. So let's review the Zim Hip Hop meets Zim Dancer show, the Hit Factory show. Kaitwa Nezuro, that is ku Hippodrome ku Brisside. So firstly and foremost, I actually feel like the show was actually a success. Big up to Hat Perry and the Perry event. Wakabata basa because Mama Kazara, and I actually feel like a lot of things in a good direction. All the artists were available. We sang out poster baka performer, and it's actually a good thing. My promoters and my artists ese anoyapa obatika panzumbo and vanhu vanoona zvavanenge vabhadharira show. So tell us what you think in the comment section, guys. Those who were there to show you, tell us kuti ndevapo vamunofunga kuti vakaisa maperformance akaipa or Zim dance or hip hop. Ndivapo vakapedzera vamwe. Of course, it was not a versus show. It was actually a show where my artists aingo performer at different times. But who do you feel kuti vakaperforma zvakanakidza kudarika vamwe, or maybe as individuals, maybe kuti Junius Praga was the best, Holy 10 was the best? Tell us what you think in the comment section. So I'm going to be showing you one small clips of my performances actual. But I want to also address a few things which I actually noticed per show. Maybe it's actually a constructive criticism, if I might say. Some of the things which I think might be improved on the next show, or maybe something like that. So I actually noticed per show, per my performances Junius Praga and also Blot, which I feel like Mazim dance, if I might just say, maybe my Mazim dance artist. So there were actually moments where if you are a Zim dance artist could perform in a band for the first time, or maybe a few times I wouldn't go to perform in a band. I actually feel as not so good 100% like we are used to, especially a Blot. Vana Blot vanhu vaiva vajaira kuimba nemaridhim anenge ari patempo, and also vanhu vajaira kupula music pese pese. So I actually noticed there a lot of times, like maybe pana Blot, even pana Junius Praga, where he would say polo, and a song in it around 30 seconds to 1 minute is at your polo. Especially on this incident, pa Blot, look at this one.
makafa ameva chichacha bukune makafa ondo andina kumbobvira nai ndopanda kayachiriro ndakasevo maravegake zvekuvanyengerera
So to me, this moment I get to sing, I actually feel like it actually kills a vibe, especially ku vanhu vakaita sana Blood. Blood kana achiperforma, he would actually do another verse. Rhythm richingopolwa, you understand, kuti zvanga achitomboimba before zvato anenge atozvikana mbini pasame rhythm ipapo akutoimba another verse or another freestyle, if I might say, and zvinhu zvezvo zvinenge zvinotoramba zvichiita kuti vanhu varambe vari mumudu, vanhu varambe vari mudenga. So pakaita kamoment kekuti instrument rinombonyarara, then pombotange pane zvekutombogadziriswa oro rinononoka kupula, it's something like chinotokanganisa performance yemunhu 100%. It was not a performance yaBlot yatinoziva. Of course he did good, it's a band, it's a new thing, but I actually feel like aikwanisa kutodarika performance yaakaita Nezuro, which I feel, like I said, I feel it was actually a good performance. Munhu arikutanga, maybe it's not the first time, but munhu has really used to perform with a band. It also happened to Junius Praga when you were saying Pulo, or as not about Pulo rhythm, we are band over rhythm. You can actually see on this video Pakapulo and akaratidza kusafara. You can actually see face yake kuti arikutaridza kuti pona arikuita sei kwaband. So let's play some clips and tell us what you think, guys, in the comment section. So you can actually go and watch my performances pa YouTube, pa Drift. That's where I took some of these clips.
So guys, this is a fire.
So one of the refreshing things about my performance is I was actually performing here Holy. After a long time, I started performing Zimbabwe, and also after my controversies, SRV Tikaya, and you actually see him as a performer, and also he actually delivered a good performance, if I might say. I think my hip hop fans were actually happy to see Holy 10. Of course, kesi yake ichiri kutongwa and ichiri ku sofa yakaya extend got teachers I think 27 August, if I'm not mistaken. So he is actually remanded out of prison. So it was actually good kumona chiita zvaanofarira. Music is what he loves, according to what he say. So tell us what you think. Comment section. Like I said, you can actually go and watch my performance ku YouTube kwa Drift Ernest. You can just search Drift Ernest, and you can actually see my whole performances or my longer performances. Tell us what you think, and please don't forget to subscribe.